Hello everybody, what we have here? It's a Razer. It's a Razer Basilisk X HyperSpeed. Well, I got my hands on one of these and wanna share with you. You can look at the box. My camera focus on it. Yes, it's focused well, I guess. And on the back, what do we have? We have Razer Advanced 5G optical sensor, Razer mechanical mouse switches. Oh, it's a mechanical switches. Oh yes, good. 6 programmable buttons. Yes, this is good for maybe from Counter-Strike or MMOs if you want the first hotkeys to map on. Okay, onboard DPI storage, multiple DPI storage, guess. Okay, ultra long battery life, ultra fast Razer HyperSpeed wireless technology. Actually, I heard of this product that has two ways to connect on wireless or Bluetooth. It's good if you have a Bluetooth laptop. You can use that. Different lifespan of battery. Good, in a good way. Okay. So, let's try to unbox it. Sorry. You didn't see nothing. Come on. Let's see what we have here. Okay, this is gonna be the manuals. Basilisk HyperSpeed. Sorry. The warranty. Okay, we have from the CO. Nice. Really good at touching this. Is have a good feeling. And Razer logo. You can stick it on your laptop or PC, wherever you want. Kinda looks cool. By the way, there was two of it. One is already on my PC, so yeah. And here, what it say? Maximize your device with Razer Synapse 3. Okay, so you need a software to install on the PC to use this device. Get help with Razer support. Okay, support. And this is the Razer Basilisk X HyperSpeed. Kind of way that show you. Oh, okay. So the back thing gets up. Okay. So there's the thing that stores your receptor. Okay, and the battery. Double A battery. Okay, double A battery. Good to know that. Got two echoes, so I'll use them. Ooh, nice. Magnetic. It's got a magnetic back touches, so hope it stays well. And the switches, you know, I told you from the beginning that this device have two switches on 2.4 wireless or Bluetooth. Okay, and it shows you how to connect to the laptop. Okay, and this is just another language. Okay, this is kind of it of the manual. Let me store this with the warranty. Moment, please. Okay, and see what do we got here. By the way, you receive a AA battery from Energizer with the product. Okay, and ooh, kind of nice, it's really light. I guess it's between 90 grams, guess. But I want to tell you that it have a good grip. Oh, yes, my fingers just stick to it. Behold those switches and the button that connects 2.4 and Bluetooth, the 5G optical sensor, 6K DPI optical. Oh, 6K, that's kind of much for a wireless mouse, but yes, this could handle it. This is how the back looks, but really cool at touching it. This part is made of rubber, grippy rubber, this one too, and this is one of the macro keys you can use. Guess you can customize with Razer Synapse, that app. Okay, let me think how to open this back side. Okay. Oh, it's magnetical. Okay, it has 3 screws that makes touch to this magnetic sides. See, like this. Yes, I kind of like it. I never had a mouse like this. I'm really enthusiastic to show you this. Okay, so this is where we put the battery, and this is the little receptor. Okay, Basilisk H with the Razer logo. Come on, focus. I don't know if the camera focus on it. Come on, focus on it. Damn you. There. Focus on my finger. Well, the writing is not that engraved. It's kind of faded, but the writing is Razer. You can look at it. See? Razer. Okay. This is what you can stick on your USB 2.0, 3.0, 3.1. Yeah. Stick it on the back. So, my thoughts about this product. My first impressions, this one heck of impression. I like it. That's why I want to show you this product, because it's really cool. And I like it. I will show you in another video how it feels, how it plays. I will try FPS games or RPGs. My favorite type of games, RPGs. Uh, by the way, we will continue the series with Little Nightmares 2. It was kind of on a little break. We will continue this week, I hope. So, about this product. For this price, it's really good. It's kind of $50, like that, $55 on a sale. Got it on a sale, and it's kind of good for this money. The build quality is really good. I really like it. It's really enjoyable to touch it and hold it in your hand, and really ergonomic. This thumb holder, or what his name is, okay, excuse my English. Yes, and this is what you get for your buck. Hope you like this product. I really want to show you. If I get my hands on one of cool product like this mouse, I will share it with you. Don't forget to subscribe, and goodbye.